Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you how to create multiple artboards per one file. A useful tip that you would need to know and need to use. For example, in the future you might be working on a project that has multiple designs and you'd like to show them on multiple artboards. So the processes and the steps that I show you today are very easy for you to follow. But I hope it helps your graphic design life and career and make it a lot more easier for you. So at the moment, we're situated in the home section of Photoshop. I would like to set up a new file. So I'm going to come through here and say new file. We have our preset things that we can use here, categories. So let's say we go mobile devices, I have iPads, Apple Watches. But what we're going to do today is start off with a standard A4 size document. You can come through and title the document that you want. So let's call this artboard practice, like so. And yet you can also come through and put your own measurements in there, depending upon your requirements or the client's. But as you can see, we have this little tick box here of artboard, which I'm going to tick and now say create. So as you can see at the top left-hand corner here, we have the title of this particular artboard, which is Artboard 1. If we want to now start creating multiple artboards, what I need to have access to me is the artboard tool. So if I was to right-click on the move tool here, I have the artboard tool situated there. So now if I click the title, you can see that we have these plus signs that pop up, which obviously indicate that I can add an artboard by simply clicking on the left there or on the top, bottom, or right. You can also click and draw out your own artboards depending upon the sizes that you require. And also you have the options up here to change if needed be. Like so. Okay. So when it comes to the layers, when you're using multiple artboards, you can see, let me just quickly go back onto my move tool here. You can see that we have the titles of each artboard. So if I now was to create a shape, let's do a shape like so. Here, let's just round the corners off. Nice. And let's just change the fill color. Okay. So now if we were to go back to our layers, you can see that this particular layer is labeled underneath artboard 4 here. If I was to duplicate this, the shortcut, as we know, is Option, click and drag on a Mac or Alt on Windows. You can see it automatically pops up on artboard 3 here as well. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create multiple artboards within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also as well, guys, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so make sure you take a look. Thank you very much. Take care, and I'll see you next time.